Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the first essential element which are required to plant. In that first macro elements we are going to discuss in that nitrogen. Now in NCERT they given only the 4 points that their essential nutrient element is a nitrogen, or we can add it as, or we can say it as essential macronutrient element in plants required in the plants in greater amount. It is absorbed mainly by or as nitrate form. In nitrate, NO3 minus means nitrate. Through some, in nitrite also it can absorb an ammonium form also, and it is required for all the parts of the plant, and particularly the meristematic tissue. By cell division it will divide and it will helps to grow and plant. Metabolically active cells means the cells which are help for metabolic activities. Now, nitrogen is a major constituent for proteins, nucleic acids means RNAs and DNAs, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid, and vitamins and hormones and enzymes also, which are act as biocatalyst. Now, absorption of plants nitrogen in plants. Nitrogen is absorbed in the form of nitrate mostly, and sometimes in nitrite and ammonium. Note, nitrogen is an essential macronutritive element, and nitrogen required in greater amounts in plants. And nitrogen need, all parts of the plant need nitrogen to survive. And the functions of the nitrogen component of chlorophyll, proteins and nucleic acid means RNA and DNA, responsible for vegetative growth, for few days, for child growth. General information, there are two forms mainly. One is nitrite, first ammonium, after that nitrite. Now ammonium and nitrate form. Here they, in examination they will ask nitrate, nitrite and ammonium, write in decreasing order. Means first nitrate, ammonium, nitrite. Now amino acids which are the proteins. Synthesis means production occurs due to nitrogen, and nucleic acid synthesis occurs. N2 base is an part of nucleotide. Nucleotide is an addition of pentose sugar, which is the general formula is C5H10O5, and N2 base and phosphate. It also has phosphate nucleotide. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, production also occurs by nitrogen. Nitrogen is needed for all parts of the plant. Okay. Now nitrogen deficiency. The symptoms are green leaf and plants color turns to yellow to the leaves will eventually turn brown. If leaf turns to the color brown, yellow too, it will die. The plant growth is slow, plant will be stunted. Now here in the diagram we can see clearly the when nitrogen lacks or nitrogen deficiency in the plant, then the plant become like this. Now deficiency symptoms of nitrogen. Plasma membrane or cell membrane do not synthesizes, means do not produces, and protein synthesis will be affected, protein production will be affected, and the proteins consist nitrogen N2, and the enzymes act as biocatalyst, and hormones and vitamins are not formed, and metabolic activities will decreases. Metabolic activities will decreases means metabolically active cells also decreases. All active cells will decrease in the plant. Cells, not active cells, or active processes also. If active cells are decreases, then active processes also decreases. Now, chlorosis occurs means the chlorosis means the lack of chlorophyll at the tip of the leaf or at the margins of the leaf, and it is followed by necrosis. Necrosis means a dead tissue part of the plant. In mostly older leaves, it occurs. Flower decreases, fruit decreases, and last yield decreases. Now, in next class, we can discuss about phosphorus, and after that class, we can discuss about potassium and calcium, sulfur, magnesium. Okay, thanks for viewing this video. Bye.